so see adia go kan see mu nsam ebrao e won kwantana ne se from Eugene Kwame Anane sports team ni nyina etime chi na no pay ye de dwumadie no ebesom e won kwantana ne so black adaroma dwumadie no live on Facebook Opim so radio on Facebook me pa cha ukwa o like page no na wo share ama unia enso enya bia he na efiada ide ye de mpatam nsam no enso ba be down ne anopentu dia anopai ene Opim so radio yes system na se dia ne e call GFE ene escoro ase na no ada obutwaramo eba mensia fikasiem besia ohempon ene ohempon be di nkomo ne dodo na ohene atu omofo say Black Stars collapse no e was say omoye free and fair eni kwa say bias bia enso eba Black Stars collapse no emu no say tu omofo enso ka che omo say officiating Ghana ye Premier League nim no oso omo hwe na omo toto niam ewo mu na on scouting ne ho nsensem Black Stars kwanya players efaso bam ni ade no Ket ES Okeku enso boy enkomo na yeti kwanya omo faso scout players eba national team enso emu.
When we started work in 2019, we formed, or let me say, we started a journey to offer opportunities to players of Ghanaian descent anywhere in the world. And I've always used my son as an example. If my son, who was born in England, is a super fantastic footballer, would we deny him the chance to play for Ghana because he was not born in Ghana? The answer is no. The Black Stars is for Ghanaians. And Ghanaians live everywhere in the world. For which reason, we want to provide a platform for every super talent who fits the thoughts of our various coaches to represent our country year in, year out. And that includes some of the names that you've mentioned. Indeed, we've been engaging some of the names that you've mentioned. The process is ongoing. And if it is that we are through with any of them, I'm sure that the All Football Association will make it public.
Wey ayan sama Ket ES Okeku GFA president eri tuja yade ahonsam no na quota ben ana omo local players yen Black Stars ni na no so no Ket kansem kakra efa ho.
The Black Stars, I'm going to use the Black Stars because you cited the Black Stars. The Black Stars is a brand just like any of our national teams, and their similar responsibility or job, somebody will say, is to win games. Okay? And in doing this, we want to present the best players as possible. If we have 11 best players, and those best players are the players that the coaches like, they represent the Black Stars. Okay? I don't believe in this idea of giving a quota to local players. But I would always encourage local players to work well and to fight for placings in the Black Stars, most especially. And there are, I think, minimum 4 or 5 call-ups for Black Stars, for local players, each and every time when the Black Stars assemble. This is very, very positive. And we should be excited and happy that for the first time, the All Football Association has organized a league.
Wey ayasema Ket ES Okeku tuja yade ahonsam no ojumade nso na de ba and it's 4 local players and a Black Stars squad no omonso edin Abem Richard Atausia Kama Hasofo Abdul Ghani Ismail Fatau Ishaku Abdul or Dream Service na Philemon Bafo or Dream Service na no a reporter by name ye heard mu say coach no edit 36-man squad provisional squad or mo ebeko metse Doha Katanoma cost starting preparations no or the dino ebeba to Ghana na Women's Premier League no and so Shasi na yan said the and fixtures no and so Etiana yanko Southern and in Northern Zone and a Jumadiano and so Etiana yanko Southern Zone near matches over the weekend. Airbus Tender Queens, any soccer intellectuals, airborne berry ladies, airborne army ladies, sea lions, any first ladies, airborne affair Hazakas ladies. And any lady strikers, our game no, yeah, they say, and penning for our postpone this our game now, and no idea to immigration ladies, and any police ladies, and everybody no, and Matissa, and bust over the weekend, Women's Premier League, our Southern Zone, Northern Zone, no, say, and a Dreams ladies, any Northern ladies, any Dreams ladies, everybody, and Pemdakwa ladies, any Papia ladies, everybody, FC Savannah ladies, and any prison ladies, everybody, Supreme ladies. Any Arsenal ladies ball and a fabulous ladies and any Kumasi Sports Academy and so boy no women's premier league won sensema ya de to manim anopai dwumade no and so na sada me tu ya no ya de se efe no and so arisedo hazakes ladies game and common lady strikers no omo arisedo game na ya de ahonsam no ma dwumade no and so yanko national teams and club issues na yentwa and some no and twas emamona no ada and player of the month of November toja na eba no na say and tia Maxwell Abe Asikwe osi akama Great Olympics Isaac Opon Okoroko and afa Abdul Fattah Isaku and so si akan Emma Dream Service na no and RTU management ne say kwaya committee no efa so sa players me nsa we mu no entwaye ni nyina and say one player your friend Glasson Awaku Abrante no abon ho modern year papa na Ghana Premier League aye bono in the month of November no Abrante no o share 5 goals or year 1 assist and a man of the match award no o winning bako entina komo ha ni mu sempanfo ebebo aye Abrante a your friend David Abagna Sagna nkombebo ni din ewom nanso squad ne ba na list ne ba no nominees ne ba no omo amo Abrante ni din to omo de omo di hu ya we pa no de ba ye de ahonsam no ma dwumade ne so House of Folk and so I release say Cape Coast Sports Stadium ho and omo kwa kosi akan na omo game a nyame bo a ba so over the weekend no omo ne Accra Lions and airball enti no omo ne Accra Lions game no ba so wo Cape Coast Sports Stadium na bra Facebook na be release na House of Folk ayena omo catch omo chita fo nyina say some game no ombebo game no Cape Coast Sports Stadium and so no ntuba once a release no and so at the Facebook ubenya bia henti nyame boa House of Folk game eba so no ombebo game no Cape Coast Sports Stadium yade ahonsam no ma koto konso egu ahoboa so omo hwa mu say one game over the weekend Omoni Lagos City's ewo dew no enema be konkan ama 3 matches akorokwa abo no win omo draw mienu ana omo lusu ba kunti coach Prosper Netogum ese nani no abri ye pa o hwa ni mu say enema be konkan ama ni team no na Ghana Premier League match day 9 say na etie House of Folk any Accra Lions 11 Wonders baby any Gold Stars Ediana Stars any Bekum Chelsea and airball Lagos Cities airball Asani Goroko Tamale RTU airball Elmina Sharks King Pfizer airball Dreams FC Wafa and Mediama airball Asante Gold any Great Olympics airball and Afre Kaila United and so any Betem United airball and air matisa over the weekend airball swa yade ahonsam no airma dwumade no and so na Asante Gold asue and yako nanu ada otisi ani Inko Joseph Edim komo fascinate in sensemo ema House of Folk na eka omode no omkotua mu 50,000 or the tuja say Dr. Kwaku Frimpong as good president no omo hwene san say emre bia twam ana emre kakra nya de say opanyi no watua snit amani players ene na adwumayefo na enra de ba and say Dr. Kwaku Frimpong wakwa kotua 10,000 Ghana cedis 10,000 Ghana cedis ama snit mpanimfo ewo oboase a eno de ba yade ahonsam no mantena me no kasa de ade say team no omo ene kabiem omo de kana omo akoteso ha omo de ka na omo akwa akoteso ntia no de ba on yede tudwa amamo dwumade no enso esuntie nei ade say Dr. Kwaku Frimpong wakwa akotua sika no mu bi 10,000 Ghana cedis na say 100 million ana wakwa akotua eno ne players no expect no ensensema yede ensem no ma dwumade no so na mamenko Frederick Ansambochi asoye say no House of Folk league no afei ana omo awini one match na o say say no omo I relief kakra na o de yentie nisa.
Okay, it feels so good because it has been our desire and we are grateful. We'll first give thanks to God Almighty, but we won't relax, but we'll try and do more to bring more wins for the club.
Wey summer player no attitude yade ahonsam no ma dwumade na 11 am GF secretariat no yade sempanifo Asia GF any division 1 clubs no Asia na reference kwa kupama ene nsam do na atuga o se meet empanifo ne omokwa akoye meet no omunyanya enso ma hu se ababia every meeting ni mu emantin kono de obenya anka teams no ana clubs no hwe na o manko when a class no anko sa eye meet na empanifo to mo nsa afrom no nde ogidi say meet na empanifo from so mo mra no enya de say bibi papa bia enso ebe free meeting ni mu abai no e de ba ye de won nsem no e ma e wo ne nyame boa 11 am anopaya meeting na eba so between the Ghana Football Association and Division 1 air clubs no ye de won no e ma mo e odwumade no enso esuntini ye kona ye de e matisa enra etodwa e wa amana ne ho nsem kakra enso atoa so ama mo na afei ya sorry ama radio hene agude enso aba abetoa so ama mo e odwumade no enso esuntino enra ya de se EPL matches no ebi eba so a ye hwe na ye mfa results a enra etodwa no emamo na ye sorry na enema enkonkan emfa emamo enso ewo ho nti ye hwe na ye ni enkomo no ekakra enra Chelsea game no enso say ena eko wie ya de say 1-1 ena Chelsea enso any Everton game no enso ekoko wie na okay yenko say ena tiena black okay Chelsea Everton game no eye 1-1 na say no area tia Liverpool ehya miensa Newcastle etimu ebako enra Copa Italia game bako eba Spezia any list and a boy game ni ba na say Spezia enso edincho economy nu a omo answer Sampdoria enso semienu a ya de say Torino etimu ebako Copa del Rey matches etodwa ewo Spain na CD Arentero ehya bako Valencia enso ehya miensa e hono a eno de tia de won nsem no ma odwumade no enso eso Deportivo La Coruña enso ehya bako ma Osasuna enso ehya mienu Granada enso emne Atletico Montreal game no Granada edi ento ma eno de ba ye de ho nsem no ma odwumade sunti ye de besi na radio hene agude enso abetoa so anwura ye tenasia ye de aka nyina